Hey, did you know that your body has superpowers? Not the X-Men kind, but really cool ones, like being able to see in 3D and smell 50,000 different scents. Here are 5 incredible facts about your senses. You can see about 10 million different colors. You might think that this is because you have 3 color receptors in your eyes, but it's actually because of the way your brain processes visual information. Each of your eyes has about 120 million photoreceptor cells, which are the cells that allow you to see. These cells send signals to your brain via the optic nerve. The signals are processed in the occipital cortex, which is located at the back of your brain. It's here that the magic happens. Your brain compares the signals from the 2 eyes and creates a 3-dimensional image. This allows you to see in 3D and perceive color. The 3 color receptors in your eyes are sensitive to -1, green and blue light. When these cells are stimulated, your brain interprets them as different colors. You can see pretty much every color imaginable, but you're more sensitive to some colors than others. For example, most people see shades of blue and green as being more beautiful than other colors. This is because our eyes have more receptors for these colors than for others. Humans can hear sounds from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. As a child, you could probably hear even higher frequencies, but the ability to hear high-pitched sounds decreases as you age. If you were a superhero, this would be your superpower. After all, most dogs can only hear sounds up to 40,000 Hz, while some bats can hear sounds up to 100,000 Hz. Your tongue has about 10,000 taste buds. These are the receptors that allow you to taste sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami flavors. Each taste bud contains 5 to 10 taste receptor cells. These cells are responsible for detecting different molecules in food. When a molecule binds to a taste receptor, it sends a signal to the brainstem, which then interprets the signal as a particular taste. Your nose can remember 50,000 different scents. That's because you have 50 million olfactory receptors. Olfactory receptors are located in the nasal cavity, and they're responsible for detecting different odors. When you inhale a scent, the odor molecules bind to these receptors, which then send signals to the brain. The brain is able to interpret these signals as particular scents. Some people have a better sense of smell than others, and this is because they have more olfactory receptors. Women tend to have a better sense of smell than men, and this is because they have more olfactory receptors. Your skin is the largest sensory organ. Skin contains a variety of receptors that respond to different stimuli such as temperature, pressure, and pain. These receptors send signals to the brain via the spinal cord and dorsal root ganglia. The brain then interprets these signals and produces the appropriate response. Some parts of the body have more receptors than others. For example, the skin on the fingertips is more sensitive to touch than the skin on the back. This is because there are more receptors in the fingertips. Our senses are incredible. We can see, hear, smell, taste, and touch thanks to our amazing sensory organs. So next time you take something for granted, like being able to smell your morning coffee, just remember that it could have been a lot less if you had been an insect. Like and subscribe for more amazing facts about the human body. See ya!